Hi friends, it's Stephen at Goody Goody and I'm making French meringue Christmas trees. We're using a green and white swirl because they kind of look like Christmas tree branches with snow on them. Starting by putting 2 rows of French meringue on a piece of plastic wrap, rolling it into a tube, sealing one end, putting it in a piping bag, and piping them in spirals. These are about an inch at the bottom and maybe 2 inches high. And I'm using a 1M tip. That's a great shape for this kind of project. Awesome. This is sped up, by the way. Now adding some decorations. I chose to use all pink decorations. You could use any colors you want. And putting little ones on the body of the trees, and then some of the trees I put larger balls on top, but some I've just left with nothing because the peaks look really great. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit because they're pretty thick, and then let them cool in the oven for at least an hour to really dry them out. Look at these, how cute are they? Amazing. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone from Goody Goody.